Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's keep up with the euro currency analysis. So this is the picture that we have talked about in a weekly report, and in this week, in the beginning of the week, we said that market probably will be relatively quiet just because the Monday was the President's Day in the United States, and we do not have any important statistics in the beginning of the week. The first important driver we could get only on Wednesday, when Fed meeting minutes protocol will be published. Currently, market stands on its own, and what we actually see right now on the euro. So that is the picture that we have talked about earlier. We have the Godless triple to buy completion, and market has completed on Friday our ABCD OP target, and we said, well, we will not make any far-going conclusions. We just will focus on the minimal target of the Godless triple 2. And as you know, the classical target is just 30% retracement of the body of the pattern. So market mostly almost has done with it, but not quite. So the two levels, the 3-8 resistances, have not been tested absolutely. So market has come very close to it, but hasn't tested them. Now we see the minor pullback here. And actually market is scoring around the important resistance area. So this is former February monthly pivot support band, broken trend line, and take a look. That is the fib levels stands just with it slightly higher than the trend line. Currently, this price action stands absolutely different compared to this price action. So we do not see any fast sharp reversal. It's mostly some kind of the fluctuation, sideways consolidation, and currently we can't make any conclusion on possible bullish reversal on this point, because currently we do not see any signs of this. That increases chances that after minor pullback, market still could try to test the 112 lows. So this is really could happen. In a short-term perspective, the picture that we have talked about on the hourly chart, possible reverse hand shoulders pattern, it was skewed by the price action, and currently it's very difficult to talk about it. On the daily chart, the one thing that we still could consider is possible brand body sell pattern, something of that sort. Because take a look, actually here we have minimal requirement for candles to the downside. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this could be 9 candles because new lows have been formed. This retracement was not the 3-8 retracement of the thrust. So, well, this is not very good, not very nice, but still kind of the brand body lookalike setup, lookalike thrust that could be used as a possible background for the trade, but it's not, of course, not perfect. If even we do not want to trade it, that could help us to estimate the possible depth of the retracement on the intraday chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not have something really special. Some kind of the sideways consolidation accompanied with the bullish divergence that suggests a possible pullback here. Market also here points that maybe bullish grabber here could be formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. We will see. But in general, 4-hour time frame chart doesn't give us any clear patterns. We don't have any bullish reversal patterns, some kind of the fluctuations, choppy action around pivot points, so nothing special. On the 30-minute chart, we talked about this possible ABCD action, and we said that was the opening of the week, right at this point. We said that wait a bit more because market probably should continue move higher and hit the OP target. OP was standing here. But take a look at that, market actually exceeded the OP, showing even higher action, and only after that starting downward action. Since we have the potential, maybe some kind of the brand body setup on the daily, it suggests that retracement really could be a bit deeper. Initially we talked about, if you remember, hand shoulders pattern. here. It could be left shoulder hand, and we thought that maybe if market will start retracement right from here, this could be right shoulder, but it's now too overextended to the upside, and currently we can't speak about the hand shoulders. Still, market here has formed a bullish reversal swing, because that swing up is greater than that swing down. So putting it all together, we could say that the first destination point of the retracement probably will be here. It's around OP. It's 1285 approximately. Somewhere very close to the 50% support on the EUR. It's accompanied also by the weekly pivot point, so that creates the first support cluster. Second support cluster, if market somehow still will proceed the downward direction, it will be around XOP 1270 and XOP 1265, so that will be second area. If you would like to take the long position, it would be better if even you will take position here to place stop below the XOP, because potentially market could reach this area just by the reasons that we have discussed. Reversal swing, bread and butter setup, although it's not really perfect. But previous bearish momentum trade on the bearish momentum on the daily chart still strong, and it could push prices lower, and market indeed could hit the XOP. Although at first glance you can see that this CD leg is flatter than this one. This market shows the slowdown and coming to the agreement around weekly pivot point. So this is really good support, and chances that market will reestablish upward direction right from here still exist. So that's what we'll be watching for in the current situation in today's session. So possible upward continuation and testing the two supports that market could reverse the action to the upside. If market will start to show the downward acceleration, will break the XOP and start coming to the lows again, this is actually the last barrier for the bulls. So breaking the major supports and agreements areas tells that market is weak and no bullish continuation will be. We should be prepared for testing and taking out the 112 lows. So that's the setup that we have on the euro currently.